Good morning. I just received this number 12 cast iron skillet from Field Company. This is a 13¼ inch skillet that's new to their line, along with their number 8 skillet and their number 10 skillet. I wanted to bring you guys along for the unboxing. Here we go. It's nothing like opening a brand new skillet. And there it is. Wow. Once again, flawless. I don't think I've ever seen a skillet from Field Company that wasn't flawless. That's beautiful. Look at that. The surface is impeccable. The seasoning is very even all the way around. Not a single flaw. Gorgeous. Very nice. Let's check out the back. Nice. Number 12, made in the USA. Nice clean casting on the back. But nothing surprises me here. Gorgeous. One thing to know about Field Company skillets now is that they kind of went back to the drawing board on their seasoning, and it's much more durable now. I had a chance to test this on a number 10, and I seared a steak, I cooked a number of other things, and the seasoning stayed intact. So all Field skillets that ship now have this new seasoning. This is that number 10 that I'm referring to, and you can see it's just taken on a beautiful seasoning. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Let me show you another one. This is my number 8 first casting. This is my baby. But look how beautiful that is. That's one thing about Field skillets. They season well. They season well and they hold their seasoning. You do need to do some maintenance on it, and you need to show them a little love. But in time, they do get very, very beautiful. Nice. So there you have it. This is the number 12 Field skillet. They just came out with these, and so I know those of you that have the number 10 were kind of hoping for something a little bit bigger, and today your dreams have come true. So these are now available. I will put a link in the description below, and if you're interested, check it out. Once again, very well done. Thanks for watching.